Igama lami nginguSihawukele Seme. Namhlanje usuku lomembeso wami noSithabiso Mzobe.
Ngifisela inhlanhla noma nje ngithanda ukuthi angihluphi kodwa ngifisela inhlanhla la yakhona.
Ngifisa ukuthi ngathi uthando lethu lingakhula njengoba nathi sesikwazi ukuthi sifike kule ndawo.
Siyabona umndeni wakwaMzobe ukuthi uzosi-honorisha nge-presence yawo, and ngibonga noMzobe, uSithabiso Mzobe, soon to be husband, ngayo yonke into esiyenza naye, even though singahlangananga la ekhaya, sihlanganele emazweni, and I'm happy ukuthi we are able to travel together, senze yonke into ndawonye, and I'm hoping for many more years.